Hey, this is Garrett over at Conquest Classic Cars here in Greeley, Colorado. Just doing a quick walk around and startup here on our beautiful 1954 Chevrolet 3100 5-window truck. This truck underwent a complete frame-off restoration back in 2015. As you can see, still 10 years later, it looks absolutely beautiful. Love the two-tone white and turquoise paint on this truck. You can see even the bed had new wood put into it. Really nice and straight. Absolutely gorgeous. You can see the body and paint look really nice on this truck. Chrome is all in excellent shape. Mirror finish on all the chrome on this pickup. Just gorgeous. It's been upgraded. It's got a lot of nice creature comforts. I like that this truck stays fairly stock and doesn't ruin the integrity of a stock pickup, but it's got a lot of nice little upgrades that I can show you here, including these gauges. They look like stock Chevrolet 3100 gauges until you put the key in here. And they're actually Retrotech Dakota digital gauges. You have a built-in tachometer here. That's why you see the green highlight. And one of the biggest upgrades to me is this truck has air conditioning. All really nicely installed vintage air unit, nicely tucked up underneath the dash. You can see the upholstery is all new in this truck. The entire inside of the cab was also all repainted at the time of the restoration. Still looks absolutely beautiful. Also, original turbo hydromatic transmission in this truck. Very rare option on these old Chevrolet pickups. Let's go ahead, the key's on, let's go ahead and fire it up. Fires up very nicely. The original stove bolt 235 runs excellent. Very nice and smooth. I need to grease up my accelerator pedal there, just a little squeaky. You can see the tachometer there. 706 miles since the rebuild. Air conditioning blows ice cold and the heater works great. This truck was upgraded with power front disc brakes, a huge upgrade on one of these. Opening the hood here. The original Thriftmaster 235, running very nice and smooth. You can see your AC lines here. And the AC compressor right down below there. Nice clean firewall. Of course, that was all repainted at time of restoration as well. Just a gorgeous pickup. Nice and quiet exhaust back here. You can hardly tell the truck's running. Just fantastic. Well, thanks so much for watching this quick walk around and startup. Again, my name is Garrett from Conquest Classic Cars. If you have any questions on this truck or any others on the lot, feel free to give us a call at 970-573-5291. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video.